Hello, I'm Nivedita. I'm from India. I live in New Delhi where I started meditating about 12 years ago. And at that time, I was searching for some sort of meditation that sort of resonated with me and wasn't religious. In India, there are a lot of meditative systems, and I had joined one in which, it was good in a way, but very deeply relaxing. But it was intensely religious, and there were lots of rituals around it. So when I came across Akam, I really liked the idea that you could do something like this. You could meditate without the religious hocus pocus around it. So, and what also attracted me to this meditation was the fact that there was no guru in front of whom I had to genuflect, and that the organization itself was genuine and authentic, and the people were very honest. To me, all of this was, came together to form, something that was really, that was very deeply attractive to me. Basically, that's what I wanted to say. I have continued with it over the years, although in the beginning I wasn't regular, but over the last few years I've been more regular because I've understood the technique better. It is a difficult meditation, no doubt, but the benefits are far reaching and deeper because the change that takes place through this meditation is through your own working, not through some guru telling you to do something or some teaching or ideology, but that you start working on yourself for that change to occur, and sometimes it seems that it's not a permanent change, but the process is slow and steady and more positive in a less dramatic way. So in that sense, it's more believable.